Hi and welcome. So in this video I'm going to talk about page speed and the summary of page speed data that we collect as part of our web crawling process. We also analyze this data in such a way that we can segment it and show you this as a distribution. We also perform various checks on this data so that we can identify whether or not something serious, minor, or not an issue at all. Your attention will be drawn to icons down here which indicate whether some things are errors or not. We break the speed down into second load times, so anything less than a second is considered good, 1 to 2 is not so good, 2 to 3 is at least a minor error, and anything from 3, 4 or 5 or more is very slow. Anything loading in more than 5 seconds is way too slow, and you can potentially lose users as a result of this, which can translate into a loss of revenue and business and sales and so forth. The impact that page speed has on the user experience is one of the reasons why Google factored this so strongly into their algorithm, and ever since their mobile indexing first, page speed has become even more important. Now, next to each of these sections, we provide information about what this means and if there's any specific recommendation that we can make. This is only summary data, it's not in-depth data, and so there's only so much information that we can recommend without further analysis. You'll also notice at the top of this page here you have crawl dates, and you can change the crawl dates to change the data that's being shown. And obviously, if you're comparing the performance of a site previous to a site currently, this will enable you to do so. The difference column shows you the number of the differences. In this case, this is just because there are fewer pages. So you can also click through to any of this data, and this will take you through to a page that shows you all of the data, or at least all of the URLs. It will show you the load time, which you can filter by, also whether they're indexable, canonical, or in the sitemap as well. In the case of thin data, which is not thin data, but very slow pages, you can also, it'd be worth downloading this and then sending it to a web developer for further analysis. I'm using the breadcrumbs to navigate back here, which should be fairly easy for users. If we go to the site itself, this is the site dashboard. We won't go into too much information here, but if we click on the SEO analysis and go to the technical tab, we also see a chart that shows us the breakdown of load times. Obviously, in our site, everything's loading in faster than 1 second because that's what we do, and so there's no other information to show here. Well, I hope this has been useful to you. There's plenty of other videos in this series. Thanks for watching.